So we're here in the basement in front of the water heater, and we're going to talk about some ways you can make your water heater more efficient and save energy. This water heater is already insulated. So it's a slightly newer model, and you can tell just by touching it, it doesn't feel really warm at all. So a lot of people ask, should I be putting an insulating blanket on my water heater? And if your water heater feels hot or warm to the touch, the answer is yes. If it doesn't, then don't. So this one's already insulated, but we can do a couple things to make it even more efficient. Down here, right down here, is the temperature control. This dial right here. And this controls how hot the water in here stays. And basically, most people have this set at whatever's good for them, and you're keeping about 40, 50 gallons of water constantly at about 130, 140 degrees, and that's really a little bit too hot. So you can turn it down using this. Note where you have it, like this is on A here, but you can turn it down. And if you see, you can go all the way. I'm going to turn it back up, but you can go all the way to low, and there's even one setting on this one beyond. So if you go on vacation, or something like that, you can turn it way down because there's no sense in having all that water heated when you're not even going to be here to use it. Another way you can save a bit of energy from the hot water heater and keep your water hotter is to insulate the hot water pipe that comes out of the tank. And on this one, it's easy to tell because these actually have rings around the bottom that says cold and hot. But if it didn't, you just touch it and you'll know. So this is the hot one on this particular model. And Elaine, if you'll just pass me a piece of the pipe wrap. This is pipe wrap. It's a foam that's used for insulating hot water pipes, domestic hot water. It's 1/2-inch interior diameter. Very easy to put on again. Split it open. And we have a couple twists and turns here. You want to make sure we stay clear of this flue opening. This is where it's pulling combustion gases up into the exhaust pipe, so you don't want to block that. Okay, and then just wrap it right around. There you go. Pull it up. And if you like, you can secure it, for any reason you don't think it's staying put, with just a little bit of electrical tape. So, here and there. Just wrap it right around. It's really the best to do the first 6 feet. That's what we recommend. I mean, some people get carried away. They want to do everything. And it's really not necessary because the first 6 feet of the pipe are the hottest, and that's where you're going to lose the most energy. So we recommend the first 6 feet. So that's like, these are 3-foot lengths, that's two lengths.